Hello, everyone. I hope that you've had a good weekend so far. Before I begin to review Bitcoin's price action as I promised that I do today, are you guys hearing me loud and clear? Just confirm that you are. Thank you. Are you guys seeing properly? Chart good, everything okay? Okay, amazing. Okay, so yeah, as I said, I'll just be reviewing Bitcoin's price action today, and before you guys can get a good understanding of why price reversed, you must know that there was a higher time frame level that was the base of this move, this down move right here. So now we're currently on the 1 hour time frame from which you can see this beautiful setup. Price ran about these relatively equal highs and then reversed. So we'll go to the daily time frame to see the level which price tagged. So it's this high over here. And I'll just put the lipstick on the chart so you can see. So this is the old daily high, which caused price to reverse. Well, it was the base of the setup. So we'll go back down to the 1 hour time frame to investigate a little bit more. So this is the old daily high that we annotated just now. So you can see Tuesday when we had, okay, I'll use this. This is the first time you guys are going to see this. This is the new indicator that my friend 2 Degrees on Twitter made. It's completely free. I am not sure if he released it to the public as yet, but if he does, I will put the link in the main chat. So this is really good. I love it. I don't think I'll ever be charting without it. I don't have to go to forex.com anymore, Forex Factory anymore to see the news events. I can just plot it right here and it'll be on my chart. So it was at this time last week, which was last week Thursday, which we had unemployment claims, CPI, and core CPI releasing. This right here, as I talked about the past Sunday, which would be a catalyst, which would cause price to reverse. This is engineered liquidity. So this candle right here is what caused price to push above that old daily high and clear this buy side liquidity. After this happened, price shift market structure below this low. This swing low right here. This is a swing low because this low is lower than the one to the left and the one to the right. Right? So this became a breaker when price closed below it. Price traded back up into the breaker, which was the reason for this buying pressure that pushed price above this old high, this old daily high, and cleared this buy side liquidity. So when price went back to the breaker, it had no reason to go back above this side because the work had already been done. Price swept buy side liquidity on the current time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. It tagged a old daily high, which is a higher time frame PDRA in itself, and it shift market structure. So after price shift market structure right here, that's when the change in the state of delivery took place. And I stated in my analysis in the live stream that I did on the past Sunday that we should expect Thursday to be reversal. And I am not sure if I did, please correct me if I didn't, but I think that I stated that Thursday should form the high of the week for certain asset classes and it should form the low of the week for certain asset classes, which it did, right? So yes, going forward, this will be the type of thing that I will be doing most of the time. I'll be giving you guys my thoughts on the markets before it happens, right? So this is the way that you learn. You know, when I give you a certain time, I expect you to take it to heart. You know, go into your charts, mark that time before, you know, we even get to that time. And you'll see certain things repeating week after week, and your reticular activating system will begin to will begin to take that information and yeah, you'll just be able to see these things happening over and over. You'll know when the news will be there, even when it's not the present week, right? So it's like the coming week, you'll even know which news event should be there, right? So next week already, even if I don't look at the economic calendar, because I've been doing this for so long, I know that Tuesday and Wednesday we should have some red news events, right? I haven't really looked at it yet, right? You'll be able to see these things happening without even marking your charts, right? So another thing is, which made this really high probability, which is why I thought that price would continue the trend that it began on Thursday, on Friday. Sorry about that. Is due to the fact that there was another red news folder event on Friday, right? I had anticipated that price would run above this liquidity right here and this liquidity right here, right? So there was I think the first video that I made, I highlighted this high and told you guys that buy sell liquidity rested above this high right here. Also, I talked about this down move before it happened. And when price was around here, on Twitter, I'm not sure if I said it in the video, I stated that we should expect the late shorts to be taken out, and then we can expect another down move. So as you guys can see, there is no hindsight in place, and my accuracy, even though it's good, it's not perfect. It's not every time, you know, I will get everything correct, but that's okay. That's why we have risk management. Another thing to take into consideration is there was SMT divergence between Bitcoin and Ethereum on Friday, right? So I remember sometime around here, after this had happened, I tweeted that I don't really remember the tweet, but I'm pretty sure that I was stating that I am expecting a shift in macro trend. You know, Bitcoin has been going up for a while, Ethereum has been going up for a while, stocks, everything has been going up for a while, which I don't believe that the S&P 500, NASDAQ, and probably not even Bitcoin is finished with going up, but no, it's showing us, weakness before the time, quote unquote. You guys already know I'm very strict when it comes to time, right? So until at least the 24th, the 25th of this month, we can still see price, filling gaps right here, stuff like that. Trade above old highs. You can expect the S&P 500 and Nasdaq to rally a bit, drop and rally a bit, and then that would probably be the final rally, right? Going into the spring months. So yeah, that's all that I have to share with you guys today. And we will be having, of course, the real live stream tomorrow. Today, I just wanted to talk about Bitcoin, right? I just wanted to answer a few questions pertaining to Bitcoin. So yes, I hope that you guys drew something from that, right? And yeah, I'll speak with you guys tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm getting a little bit more free time now, so I think that we'll begin to have a few more streams that I had planned to have with you guys, right? I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. So yeah, have a nice night, nice morning if it's morning for you. Bye.